This MK2 is for non-porous materials, so natural stone, wet cast products, anything that can't pull air through it. This is a non-porous material that we're looking at right here. This is a Brown's concrete wet cast material. If it was an armor stone that had a lot of pits and valleys and textures, you may not be able to get the gasket to grab. You may need a bigger gasket like on the Grizzly. So there is a bigger version of this in the Grizzly that has a bigger, thicker pad, would do a lot more textures. Blizzard Flurry, it can do non-porous, so wet cast and natural stone as well, but it's picking up porous materials because it's a direct suction. You plug it in and it's continuously pulling air through it.